FERM, power to create. This is the FERM DSM1009 Power Delta Sander. It has a long-lasting Velcro base plate for easy and quick change of sanding paper, variable speed for optimal sanding results, a dust extraction connector for a clean and healthy working area, and an extra long power cable. 6 pieces of sanding paper are included, with a 280-watt motor up to 12,000 to 20,000 sanding movements per minute. Ideal for sanding details and small to medium-sized surfaces of stone, wood or paint. The convex shape of the sanding paper ensures perfect sanding along edges. Exclusive ergonomic design with soft grip for optimal working comfort. FERM, to make your job easy. You can always trust in our 3 years exchange warranty. Toolbox tip. When the tip of the sanding paper is bare sanded, you can turn the sanding paper twice to regain your sanding precision. In this way, your sanding paper is longer usable. FERM, power to create.